Hello and welcome back to another Portugal vlog. We're doing another adventure today. This is my second Portugal vlog. So much fun. I'm having a lot of fun here, doing a lot of solo adventures, just like the last time I was in Portugal. It's a lot of fun. And of course, I'm gonna go to the beach alone because I will do anything to go to the beach. So I'm going to Praia do Guncho today, so let's go. So I've made it through all the public transport. It's a bit windy. I saw horses. And now it's about a 30-minute walk to the beach. So yeah, vibe with me till then. I am done at the beach. I got pelted with sand on the side of my face, but the beach was beautiful and I loved watching the wind and like windsurfers, which you see a lot of in California, and it's just cool. I like Portugal because like all the beach towns remind me of California, and I just had a great talk with this guy, just like talking about how windy it was, and he's from Sintra, so yeah. And now it's time to head back on a long journey. But if you do come to Portugal, it's not too hard to get to the beach. I just took the metro to the regional line and then just hopped on a bus. And yes, I had to walk 30 minutes, but if you're able-bodied, it's really not that hard. So yeah, I would suggest this beach. And yeah, keep following along for more beaches because this is my second beach that I've been to here, and I think I have 4 others that I want to visit. Obviously not in Lisbon, like these are ones near Lisbon, and then 4 beaches near Lisbon, and then I'm taking a whole trip to Algarve, so lots of beaches to come. LOL, I ordered an Uber, only to the Cascais station. Little girl B. I spoke too soon. All the rides kept canceling. It's only €5, but if they're gonna keep canceling, I'll walk 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna do the trail one, not along the road, so Don't tempt me with a good time walking through the nature. I'm dead. Not a fucking rope. Whew. I was gonna try and go to the road, but now it says it's mostly flat on this hike, so. And there's wind, so that'll cool me off from that hill. That is all for today. I will catch you up tomorrow on what we're gonna do, more fun Lisbon stuff. Also, the other day was when the funicular crashed, and today was the day of mourning. So I'm just glad like everyone is like mourning in solidarity, and it's really sad what happened. And I hope everyone is healing and the families are okay. Okay, today we are gonna go to the MAT Museum in Portugal. I did some working out this morning and some work and stuff, and now I'm gonna go to do the museum and do some vintage shopping and hopefully jewelry shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna take you with me. The coal factory is cool. The art expeditions are closed, but whatever. I'm running late today anyway, so I'm gonna go head over to the first jewelry place, which is Juliana Barrera, and I'm excited to go look. is it for my first couple days in Lisbon. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you stay tuned for a lot more Lisbon vlogs. I've already filmed like 1.5, 2. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of Lisbon, Portugal vlogs. So I'm really excited and I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.